The DN160 fully automatic fuel docking machine in front of us is the core equipment we have tailor-made for the French customer. At this moment, it is undergoing the final test run and debugging before leaving the factory. The fully automatic control console enables precise operation with visual parameter adjustment. The entire process from alignment to welding is fully automated, ensuring the perfect quality of each weld seam. This device is about to set off and be delivered to the French customer.